just had enough soda for the day, too.
I have it. Let's go get them on.
It's gonna be hard to catch them.
Let me give these to her. Lie down. Lie down.
Oh my God!
Where are they at? No, there's not those wheels. There are people on top of them.
That's not what I said.
She did.
I said the one was upside down.
Yeah, she said there's people on top of it.
Coming down? Let's go back up on there.
There are people inside of it, not on top of it.
You see them?
Like you did. Blind as you are.
I saw them.
Yeah,
They right there.
You're a blind bat, Michael. Shush.
He's gonna get you, Laura.
Michael, get up.
Oh, so he says. So you say. Where's the other four at, people?
Way down here.
They're way over there, actually. So
Oh,
they
they're
flew that
way
way.
down there because they've already turned around. They went completely around. See, if you was paying attention, you would know that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you been paying attention?
No!
All right.
I disagree.
I agree.
I disagree.
It's not your argument.
I agree.
That's okay.
See?
Shut up, Dion.
How do you take the dang ass picture? No, I don't. That's not what they can hear. Where's the camera? How do you take the dang ass picture?
Do you want a videotape on my camera? Like, take pictures on that?
Now you know how to work the camera.
Now just find them.
Chat.
They look like little specks.
Lights on.
But this.
Get there. Come on, them over there about 10, 15 minutes. They probably should come out now.
They fly faster than that, huh?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
Why does the one look light blue?
It is.
No, it's not. They're all dark blue.
No, it's not. Not all of them.
All 6 of those planes are dark blue with yellow on them.
You come up this way. That's one.
What?
Like everybody else.
There's only 6
Open
of
the
them.
door.
None of them are
Stand on the
bright
black
blue,
part
like sky
and
blue.
stand on the chair and use the little thingy.
Blue angel.
The little door handle.
They're blue and yellow.
Blue.
They've got yellow
Yeah.
stripes. They've got yellow stripes.
Blue yellow angel.
It's a blue angel, but they're blue and yellow.
Stop it.
Where'd it go? but they fly above my school, and you're the one complaining, oh, they don't, no, they don't. Yeah, they did. They've been doing it all week. I've watched them.
What?
John.
The Blue Angels are all the way out there.
Don't adjust
Well, there's
this.
4 out there, there's 1 over there, and there's 1 somewhere else.
Right here. Talk to him.
See? They're right over there. That's only 4 of them. Those are the Blue Angels. There's I know. There's 1. I still see it. God, what? He's grilling. Oh. I saw it happen on fire too. I was like, how long has it been recording? 7 minutes. It's fine. This is going to upload on Facebook and delete it.
Who is?
That video. I'm going to put it on Facebook when Facebook's back up on the computer and then delete it off my SIM card. Oh crap. I think there's one thing from that one. Look somewhere.
I think it's today.
There's 4.
Yeah.
How often?
I don't even see them in the
I see them now.
They're the 4. Well, I can't see them in this, so. And that's zoomed in.
Oh yeah, that one's zoomed all the way in.
They're too far away for you to get a picture of.
There's one.
Long rope over there. Long rope. It's all coming together.
It's way over there now.
We can't even hear it.
There's one way over there. There's 5 over here, people. Where?
Way over there. By the middle school.
Somewhere.
Coming back.
Yeah, but you can't see it all the way over here.
See, there's one.
Oh, that's 4.
You know they only fly a foot and a half apart. Did you know that, Mom? They only fly a foot and a half apart.
I know they're really close.
Well, I'm telling you, they only fly a foot and a half apart.
Tell you that yesterday.
I don't think it's that damn close.
Yeah, actually, they said they only fly
You know what
a
a foot
foot.
is?
They said they only fly a foot to a foot and a half apart.
I don't believe that.
That's what the guy said yesterday who actually flies one of them.
He lied to you.
No, he didn't. He flies one.
They're not that damn close.
They're a foot to a foot and a half apart.
I don't believe that one either.
They just tell y'all that to get it.
Yeah, get excited.
Travel right there where you get there quick.